paragraph type of question in which it is given that a monochromatic beam. So this is the monochromatic beam, and as we can see, it is falling. It is falling on these slits obliquely. So one part difference will be caused by this oblique incidence. Another thing is that we kept a thin sheet in front of slit 2, so another part difference will be caused by it. As we all know that if in case of oblique incidence, S1 is getting a wave which is traveling more distance as compared to, which is traveling a greater distance as compared to the wave arriving on S2. So the CBF, central bright fringe, should shift in the upward direction. Only then we can say both waves travel same distance, the path difference will be 0. Only when it will shift upwards. Now this is the thing about oblique incidence. Now let's talk about this thin sheet. We all know in case of thin sheet, this CBF will shift downward. It shift towards the thin slab side. So in this case, the pattern will try to shift downwards. Now we don't have any value regarding this path difference caused by oblique incidence as well as path difference caused by this thin sheet of glass. So question is saying the central bright fringe can be obtained at. So we have given different choices: at O, above O, below O. So the answer should be D, anywhere on the screen. Reason being, we don't have any data with us, so we cannot say which factor will be dominating.